Creating a literature review is a meticulous process that serves to critically evaluate existing research, identify knowledge gaps, and lay a theoretical groundwork for new studies. It begins with defining the scope by selecting relevant keywords, formulating research questions, and determining inclusion and exclusion criteria. Searching academic databases with Boolean operators refines this process. Organizing literature thematically and using reference management tools aids analysis. Writing involves crafting an introduction, a critical review of sources, and a conclusion that highlights insights and gaps. Maintaining academic rigor is essential, emphasizing proper citations and logical coherence. Success hinges on starting early, taking detailed notes, synthesizing findings, seeking feedback, and revising for clarity.